Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, The Smiling Storyteller, where we are celebrating the 9 days of Navratri 2024, and we are on the ninth day. Before we get to this last leg of this chapter, let's have a quick recap. On day 1, we had learned about Ma Shailaputri. On day 2, we had learned about Ma Brahmacharini. Day 3rd May, we learned about Ma Chandraghanta. Day 4th May, we learned about Ma Kushmanda. Day 5th May, Ma Skandamata. Day 6th May, Ma Katyayani. Day 7th May, Ma Kalratri. On day 8th, yesterday on Ashtami, we learned about Ma Mahagauri. And today is day 9th, which is all about Ma Siddhidatri. माँ सिद्धिदात्री का मतलब है the one who gives सिद्धि. सिद्धि means the supernatural powers and Datri means the giver. Hence the name Siddhidatri, the giver of siddhis. What are those siddhis and who gave the siddhis to who and how did Siddhidatri Ma come to life? So let's go back to our day 4. We did learn about Ma Kushmanda, the creator of the universe. कहते हैं कि माँ कुष्मांडा से ही सिद्धिदात्री माँ का जन्म होता है ताकि जो ट्रिनिटी ऑफ गॉड्स हैं शिव, विष्णु और ब्रह्मा, उनको अष्ट सिद्धियाँ मिल सके, उनको बहुत सारी सिद्धि मिल सके. नॉट ओनली द 8 सिद्धि बट अदर 10 सेकेंडरी परफेक्शंस ऑल्सो. सो हेंस इन माँ का जन्म कुष्मांडा माँ से होता है. उनका नाम हम सिद्धिदात्री माँ के नाम से जानते हैं. एक अलग वर्जन ऑफ स्टोरी में बोलते हैं कि सिद्धिदात्री माँ का जन्म शिव के अंदर से होता है. एंड इफ यू हैव सीन महेश का, शिव का, महादेव का अर्धनारीश्वर वाला फॉर्म, सो उसमें जो फीमेल डिपिक्शन है इट इज़ ऑफ माँ सिद्धिदात्री. एंड सिद्धिदात्री और शिव जी का वो यूनियन एक डिवाइन यूनियन है. एंड ऐसे कहते हैं कि सिद्धिदात्री माँ का जन्म होता है. और शिव को अपनी जो सिद्धि मिलती हैं, शिव जब सिद्धिदात्री माँ को ही पूछते हैं, कहते हैं कि सारी सिद्धि देने वाली ही सिद्धिदात्री माँ हैं जिन्होंने शिव को सिद्धि दी. एंड नॉट ओनली शिव, टू अदर ट्रिनिटी ऑफ गॉड्स एज वेल. सो वो सिद्धि क्या है, वो अष्ट सिद्धि क्या है? लेट्स गेट टू दीज वन बाय वन. नंबर 1 इज अनीमा. अनीमा सिद्धि का मतलब होता है द वन हु हैज दिस सिद्धि कैन reduce his or her size to an atom. तो वो बहुत छोटा हो सकता है and that's called anima siddhi. The number 2 siddhi is mahima siddhi by the name of it. mahima का मतलब है the one who has it siddhi can increase his or her size to a greater extent, जो बहुत infinitely बड़ा हो सकता है जो हाइट में, उसको बोलते हैं हम महिमा सिद्धि. थर्ड सिद्धि होती है गरिमा सिद्धि. नाउ गरिमा सिद्धि का मतलब होता है द वन जिसकी हाइट विल रिमेन द सेम बट द वेट कैन इंक्रीज एक्सपोनेंशियली. तो वेट बढ़ता जा सकता है. जिसके पास सिद्धि हो सकती है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेट गेन कर सकता है एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड गरिमा सिद्धि. फोर्थ सिद्धि होती है गरिमा सिद्धि का ऑपोजिट विच इज लघिमा. सो लघिमा सिद्धि का होता है जिसके पास लघिमा सिद्धि होती है, दैट पर्सन कैन बी एज लाइट एज अ फेदर. तो वो बहुत हल्का हो सकता है, बहुत लाइट हो सकता है, सो दैट इट अलाउज हिम टू फ्लाई एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड लघिमा सिद्धि. नंबर 5 सिद्धि होती है प्राप्ति सिद्धि. नाउ प्राप्ति सिद्धि का मतलब होता है द वन हु कैन फुलफिल एनी डिजायर. अमेजिंग नो. सो ये होती है प्राप्ति सिद्धि. एक होती है प्रकम्य सिद्धि, नंबर 6. 7th सिद्धि इज ईशत्व सिद्धि. नाउ ईशत्व सिद्धि का मतलब क्या होता है? ईशत्व सिद्धि का मतलब होता है द पर्सन हु हैज द सिद्धि कैन इजीली control the natural forces. Now it's also called the title of the god Ishwar, Ishatvam. So it's as God can control all the natural forces, so person who has the siddhi can control all the natural forces. And the last 8th siddhi is called Vashitva. Vashitva siddhi में होता है the person who has this siddhi can force influence on anyone. So I can defeat anybody, whether it's a bird, it's an animal, it's a human, it's anything, but I can easily defeat that. So I can easily force an influence onto that thing or a person. So that's called Vashitva Siddhi. So सिद्धिदात्री माँ ने ये 8 सिद्धियाँ शिव जी को दी थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस 8 सिद्धिस 10 और सेकेंडरी परफेक्शंस उन्होंने शिव को दिए थे. टोटल 18 सिद्धिस. एंड हेंस सिद्धिदात्री माँ का एसेंस है the one who has given power to the Trinity of Gods to create the universe, to preserve the universe and also to destroy the universe. Now सिद्धिदात्री माँ का depiction अगर हम देखें, so she is dressed in white and she is sitting on a lotus, the lotus that symbolizes purity, and she has again 4 hands. In her 3 hands she has a mace, a discus and a trident. So Gada, Trishul and Sudarshan Chakra, और उनके एक हाथ में लोटस है. So that's Ma's depiction. So ये थी सिद्धिदात्री माँ की कहानी which we read on day 9th, and a very short version of her essence, her existence. And now the last phase where we learn what Ma teaches us. And not only Siddhidatri Ma, but I think now after learning about Ma Durga's each manifested form, maybe in the form of Ma Shailaputri or Ma Brahmacharini or any other form that we have learned so far, I think in all its stories and tales, goddesses teach us to realize our inner potential. Because if you'll see in each tale at the end, through their inner potential, their introspection, their reflection, they're able to achieve what they want to achieve, whether it was for them to get Shiv as their consort or for them to end a demon. So it all happened, and it was all possible because they realized their inner potential. And that's what I think I have learned, and I am going to work on it, because it's not a cup of tea that we suddenly change ourselves and be the best versions. But I think it's a work in progress. But as Theodore Roosevelt once says, that if you think you can, you are halfway there. So I think that if we start believing that we can, and we have a lot of talents hidden within us, we'll be easily be able to do a lot of stuff. Also, not only Theodore Roosevelt, but I remember this quote from Oprah Winfrey, and she said that the biggest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future if he just changes his attitude. And I thoroughly believe in it, and that's what I would love to share with you. I would love that you also, if you are onto a journey of you're targeting something, you have an aim, you're ambitious, do know that you have a lot of potential hidden within you. So never forget to look inward when you are in a place of distress and a place of mess, because only you can help yourself. So with this and with so much of humility, I would love to announce that this is the end of Navratri 2024 series, but my channel is there. So keep watching, because I am not going anywhere, and many more videos to come. Let's share the experiences that I have. And as I told you in my very first video, that my entire objective is to uplift, inspire all of us, and also to spread a lot of smiles. So happy Navratri and happy Ram Navami to all of you. With this, I end this series. See you tomorrow with a new video. Take care, keep smiling, and spread a lot of smiles. Bye bye.